this is all she's ever really known. A stranger in her skin, nothing more, it's all she's ever been. She spills these words across the page, it helps to ease the pain as she cries. Nobody out there wants to understand, and nobody out there takes me as I am, feeling alone here. I know there's gotta be somebody somewhere. That's how she wrote.